Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation, positive mood, and healthy eating behavior. In neurons, serotonin is made in a two-step process. First, dietary tryptophan is converted to 5-hydroxytryptophan, or 5-HTP, by an enzyme called tryptophan hydroxylase 2, encoded by the TPH2 gene. Next, 5-HTP is converted to serotonin by a decarboxylase enzyme. The amount of serotonin that is made depends mostly on how well the first step is working. A polymorphism in the TPH2 gene may reduce serotonin production by limiting the amount of 5-HTP that is made. Supplementation with 5-HTP can bypass this enzyme. Nutritional support should also include folate, vitamin B6, and zinc, which serve as cofactors for these enzymes.